please welcome Adam Green.
Thank you.
All the money that is raised from these 3 nights of events are going to the One Funds. We're all doing this together. Nobody, no matter what they ever try to do to us, will ever change us. So thank you guys for being here, for being Boston Strong.
It's the rain from doing things right, but now we have no place to go. Around with the boys tonight. What's going on with Boston? What the hell is wrong with our city? The Abbey Mountain's been shut down, it's really not worthy of left out painted. What's going on with Boston? What the hell is wrong with our city? The kids are around outside, no doubt we can need some place with bringing.
Hey Adam. It's amazing to me how many people say such negative things about people who enjoy horror and, you know, the dark things of life. But if everyone who said Boston Strong and said they supported, you know, all of the bad things that happened and they wanted to help actually helped, we'd be a lot better off than we are.
As soon as I heard that you were coming back to Massachusetts to help out the Boston Relief Fund, I knew that I had to be part of it.
It means a lot to the people of Boston and Massachusetts, and we appreciate it a lot.
Most people wouldn't buck up like this and make something this cool happen.
You actually stood up and you helped.
It was a big deal to be able to work with you.
This was the awesomest thing ever in the history of the universe.
From, you know, like the bottom of my black dark heart, thank you for doing this.
I just want to thank you for allowing me to help out and putting on this great event.
Thank you for sharing so much of yourself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for holding this charity benefit for the One Fund.
Thanks for coming out, and thanks for making the movies, and thanks for making it seem like a possibility for someone like me to be like you someday.
Thank you for having such a great event and allowing me to be a part of it.
It is an honor, it is a privilege. All the best to you.
Can't wait to see Hatchet 3!